Hello everyone, my name is Nico and I welcome you to Easy Manifesting. In this series, we will chat about how to manifest our desires in an easy manner. There are many methods out there that people use to manifest their desires. Some use visualization. A visualization means that you have to imagine yourself having in your imagination the desires of yours already accomplished. Imagination is truly the secret weapon that we have at our disposal to contact the other side, to do mental travel, to obtain inspiration to create innovative projects. And yes, imagination is God in action. So visualization is the simplest method that we can employ to fulfill our wishes, as is the key material, so to speak. However, there are other techniques as well, like affirmations, which I use a lot. Affirmations are a statement such as everything works in my favor, that you repeat over and over again. And repetition is another key component in giving instructions to the subconscious mind. Other methods that people use are actually rituals or casting candle spells, for example. If you are deciding to use spells, casting spells, these usually have certain steps that you have to take to gather certain herbs, to have certain candles of a certain color, to have some type of crystal, and more things like that. But again, by doing a candle spell, you keep your conscious mind occupied with things that you have to do for the ritual or for the spell, like lighting a candle, reciting a mantra, using a type of incense, placing crystals in a certain way. But this method, at its core, it just keeps the logical mind or the subjective mind out of the way, occupied performing a certain task in order the spellcaster to reach faster that deep level of mind, the subconscious mind, in order to feel something or to get in a certain mood, a magical mood. By having a structure or a list to do things, you keep this subjective mind of yours away and you give the subconscious mind some room to do its job. My point is that all these methods are correct. Whatever you decide to use, it's correct. The point is to reach that inner feeling of the wish fulfilled. For example, I tried ceremonial magic, herb magic. Now, in these days, I just use simple stuff, and I tend to like certain things more than others. There is a matter of preference more than what is the best method out there to use. But if you search online, obviously you will find many highly opinionated people that say this one is better, that this is the only method that you have to use. But I would advise you to not engage in such matters, as it leads to nowhere. I just suggest you to start using one method of your liking and try to manifest trivial things like a parking spot or 40% off purchase that you want to make. For example, one of my most common manifestations that I make a lot is to get Korean skincare at a cheaper price. So try to experiment, see whatever method works for you. In the end, imagination is the doorway to the subconscious, then your thoughts and habits and words that you speak. So, no, there is no one best method out there. Just choose one that you feel comfortable with. We reached the end of the video and I would like to know, what is your favorite method of manifesting? What does work for you every time? Please write it down in the comments below And also don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. See you next time. Until then, happy manifesting!